Here you see a GIF I have uploaded to Facebook. Let me show you how I did it. There are 100 ways to do this, but this is how I did it. I made this animation in Video Scribe, which is a whiteboard animation, and the only thing I have to do is here. I find my image. The program is going to draw it itself. Let's have a look. Now it's drawing it in 5 seconds. That can be a little bit shorter. And what I do is export it, put it on YouTube itself. My video has been sent to YouTube, to my channel. It's not there yet. So let's take this one that I did before. Now I'm going to copy the link and go to Giphy. If you open up giphy.com and you push the button create, you get here. I put the link in here. It's going to work on my video. And I can say create GIF. Now it's here. And if you scroll down, and you say view again, for some reason it wasn't there before, you use this Giphy link, Control copy, go to Facebook. First, let's try it for ourselves. Only me. Paste it. And here it is. And now you can delete the link and say, here is your present. Enjoy. And then you post it. You see, here's the GIF, here's your present, enjoy, and you can play it. This is how I did it, publish my GIF from Video Scribe, a whiteboard animation, to Facebook.